There are different types of businesses for which accounts are kept and financial statements are prepared. 1. Trading businesses. 2. Service businesses. 3. Manufacturing businesses. A trading business buys and sells finished goods. All that it sells are bought from its suppliers. A manufacturing business produces the goods that it sells. It buys raw materials, employs labor, and uses machines and other facilities to manufacture finished goods. Finished goods are then transferred from the factory to the warehouse and ultimately to the showroom for sale. A service business is a business where services are offered against a fee. This type of business is not involved in handling goods of any type. Goods are neither bought nor manufactured. Examples of service businesses are the hairdresser, the doctor, the mechanic, the taxi driver, the engineer, and the accountant.